How to check your case status with USCIS. In today's video, we are sharing an updated version since USCIS updated their website of the video we created in October 2019, where we showed you how you can check your case status with USCIS. Many people want to know what is going on with their immigration case after they have submitted an application with USCIS. Since we are immigrants ourselves, we know this whole process can be very frustrating and stressful. You pay a lot of money. Send in your application, get a receipt, and then hear nothing for a long time. We want to help you understand what you can expect and how you can check your case status, especially when you haven't heard anything for a while. To start out, you will submit your application with the proper fee to USCIS. After your application is received by USCIS, typically within about 3 weeks, you will have one of two things happen. If things are missing, they will return your application and fee. They will include a letter explaining what is missing. Often, this is because you submitted the wrong fee or application. If you submitted the right application and fee, you will receive a letter from USCIS confirming that they received it. This letter, usually titled an I-797C or Notice of Action, will include a receipt number and your priority date. The priority date is the date USCIS received your application. Good news! This means they are moving forward with your application. The receipt number is on the top of the I-797C letter sent to you by USCIS. This number is usually on every letter they send. We recommend creating a file and keeping all USCIS correspondence together. The receipt number is a unique 13-character identifier that USCIS provides for each application or petition it receives. USCIS uses this number to identify and track its cases. The receipt number consists of 3 letters at the beginning, such as EAC or WAC, and then 10 numbers. If you are entering this number online, omit the dashes, but you should include other characters, including asterisks, if they are listed on your notice as part of the receipt number. The priority date indicates where you stand in line for the next available visa or other immigration benefit for which you applied, once your application is approved. Within a month of this receipt, you should receive a notification from USCIS for a biometrics appointment. They do not ask you when you're available, like your time or date of availability. The letter will state when the appointment is and where it is. This is based on the location where you submitted your application. It is often within a short time of USCIS accepting your application. If you need to reschedule, you can try to do that, but it may delay your processing for months. We have had some people have to wait for 9 months or longer when they couldn't get to their scheduled biometrics appointment. If USCIS feels like they need more information from you, you may get a request for evidence, RFE, or Notice of Intent to Deny, NOID or NOID. Sadly, getting either of these means your application processing will be delayed. A request for evidence is better than a notice of intent to deny. A request for evidence means that USCIS wants to approve you and thinks they will, so that's good news, but they need more information to do so. A notice of intent to deny means that they want to deny you, but if you can convince them not to, they won't. When one of those is sent out, your case is put on hold by USCIS while you answer their documented concerns, and they review the evidence you submit with your answer to their request. Both the RFE and NOID must be answered within a specific time period. We don't recommend waiting until the due date, because the sooner you answer, the faster you'll get a decision. Both require a legal argument. Because of that, we highly recommend, if you receive one, especially a notice of intent to deny, that you hire a competent immigration attorney to make a solid legal argument for you. If you don't get one of these requests, that's good. The processing still might be slow, but it is moving forward. Let's say you have submitted everything. You haven't gotten an RFE or NOID, and you took care of your biometrics appointment. What next? Now, you wait. Is there anything you can do to speed up the process? Not really, but you can check your case status to see how it is progressing. USCIS has 2 ways for you to check your case status online. Go to their website, USCIS.gov. Click on Tools. This will take you to a Tools menu. Click on Your Case Status. You will need to enter the receipt number that we talked about before. In the alternative, you can also register with USCIS and check your case status through an account you set up for yourself. You must accept their disclaimer when you do this. After you accept their disclaimer, you must enter certain information so they know it's you. Registering here will allow you to update USCIS of any address changes. You must update USCIS when you move within 10 days. It can be a good idea to sign up on this system to make doing that easier. Warning, this is the government, and online is not 100% secure or accurate. So we highly recommend that you keep a record of any interaction with USCIS. When you submit any information online, print out a paper that shows the date you updated or submitted it. If you speak to anyone on the phone, write down the date, time, and agent ID of each person you speak with and keep this in your file. USCIS is known to deny that they were informed in a timely manner and or lose your information, and you will need proof that you did in fact submit it if this happens. USCIS claims that they update individual case statuses throughout the day. We have not found this to be true. Most people find that their status stays the same online even after they have received letters with a change in status. A third way to check your status is by calling USCIS. What you need to know is that when you are calling USCIS, you are reaching people in a call center. These are usually contractors for USCIS and not actual government employees. They can only provide limited answers about your case status, and it is often the same thing you can see online. If you need more detailed information than they can provide, then you can ask them to escalate your call, and they will say they are sending it to a supervisor or a level 2, and then they will transfer you to a system that says you have a wait time, sometimes over 36 hours. Or you could leave your phone number and receive a return call. We haven't seen consistent success with getting a return call. But we have also tried to wait online and been cut off at the end of their day. So you can take your chances trying either. If you want to get a live person with USCIS, rather than going through their automated system that gives you the same information you'll see online, call their number, 1-800-375-5283. That's Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Then press 1 for English or 2 for Spanish. Ask for the operator, so you have to say that out loud, and they should connect you with a live person. We hope that this helped you understand how to check your case status. Even as attorneys, we get frustrated with USCIS being so difficult to connect with or getting a response from them. In the past few months, several immigration attorneys we know have experienced the same frustration. Our hope is that this video and all of our immigration videos help relieve some of the unknown in this confusing and stressful process. If you'd like, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell on YouTube so you are notified when any new information about U.S. immigration is released. Please reach out to us in the comments, but don't post any private information, or call us 888-421-9942, or email us at info@andresmeherlaw.com, and we are happy to help you the best way we can. At the Green Card Doctor, Andres Meher Law, we won't take your money if we can't help you.